There's 200,000 people that love you, you could make a fuckload of money if you own the shit. But if you are signed to a record label, there's 200,000 people who love you, you're not even gonna really feel the impact of that financially.
Some people be like, well, fuck the labels, we don't need labels. But you can't, these like really business partners, how I look at it. Like, you shouldn't say fuck the label because they taking the chance on you. When they give you money, they taking the risk too. It's up to you to really make this money back and go make more money. And like, for like all like young artists who coming up, like I want to tell them just like, man, don't look at it as like it's a bad deal. You're not getting what you want in the beginning because it can always get better. I'm a contract killer. I call it like contract killer. Like you give me the contract, I'm gonna kill it.
That's your point. Work
and I'm gonna get another, and then another contract. It's my terms and conditions now.
Same thing with me. When you come into the league, you get a rookie scale deal. You don't have there's nothing you can. That deal is already scaled. You're a rookie. Your deal is scaled. 3 years, 4th year option, all that. It's scaled. If I put this work in these 3, 4 years, I'm getting the max. Ain't nothing you can tell me. I'm getting the max. Now it's on my turn. The meat and potatoes of it all is motherfuckers don't want to work. Everybody wants instant oatmeal.
That get on your nerves.
That get on my nerves. You know.
No. That ain't what you want.
Everybody want instant oatmeal. Put the shit in the microwave and the shit done in a minute.
Yeah. It'll hit your stomach and allow you to go to sleep, but that ain't what you want.
The artists of tomorrow, they need technology behind them. They don't need managers so much, they need chief technology officers. So when you see NFTs and Web3 and the metaverse, you need to have somebody or a platform that is absolutely clear that you can plug into and reap the benefits of that. There's always been a role for a record company in an artist's career. There's always been a role. I think that, because in the beginning, you needed a record label in order to find an audience. Now you find an audience before you find a record label. You already built an audience. So it just is money. And if somebody's lending you money, the terms of that loan that a record company provides is just outrageous. It's your money that they're giving you advance on, and it's like, and then they own the property. And I feel like the artist should always own the property, and the artist should give them a percentage for distribution. And it should work like that. Now, at certain times, artists, they want the bag. And if you want the bag up front, that's gonna absolutely come with some penalties. But I think now, I know now,